Hey guys, my name's Logan Clementi, and I'm going to be talking to you about different helicopters of the armed forces. But first, here's a short video clip of how helicopters work. The Sikorsky H-5 began its life in 1943 and was used as a utility and a rescue helicopter. The Sikorsky R-6, nicknamed the Hoverfly II, was used from 1945 to 1951. It was used to rescue people as it could accommodate two stretchers and was also used as an aerial post to spot enemy artillery. The Bell H-13 was used from 1946 to 1974. It had the role of medical evacuation and light recon during the Korean Wars. The Apache helicopter, named after a Native American tribe, is an American attack helicopter. It is equipped with multiple launchers that contain a mixture of Hellfire missiles and rocket pods, and also has a 30mm chain gun. The Blackhawk is a well-known utility helicopter that is used for just about everything from medical evacuations, combat support, and electronic warfare due to the wide variety of attachments it can have. I'm sure I'm boring you, so enjoy this scene that has a Blackhawk in it. Now here's an Apache helicopter in action.